Hello Scorpios, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So let's check out your love energy for my beautiful Scorpios. Your love energy for the month of June. Okay, so first card we have Ace of Cups. So Ace of Cup means you are working upon your self growth and you want some sort of a new beginning in your love life. So you are full of love currently. You feel the unconditional love for someone, and you are very like having a lot of emotions that you have for others. You are totally focused upon self love. Basically, you are learning self love and the unconditional love for yourself and for the others. And definitely there are some sort of a new beginnings in your life. You starting something again in your life with the full of like confidence, right? So let's see your partner's love energy. Death card. So because your focus is like totally to become your best version. So in your partner's life there is some sort of a transformation going on, some sort of a changes going on in your partner's life. They are going through some sort of a transformational stage where they are changing their old pattern. So this is like learning something new, making some changes in their life. The things that is not serving them anymore, they are leaving that situation behind. So let's see your energy. Okay, Three of Cups. So this is like you are celebrating your life with your family members, with your friends. You are happy. So these are some. This is like some happy moments that you spend with your family members, with your near and dear ones. So you are in a this kind of a mode when you are happy and celebrating. So let's see your partner's love energy for the month of June. Knight of Swords. So this is like they want some sort of a communication with you, and they are rushing towards you for this communication. They eagerly want some sort of a communication with you. After this transformational change, they eagerly want a communication. So let's see your energy. Energy of my beautiful Scorpios. Four of Pentacles. This card is also a bottom of the deck when I pick out this card for your partner. So this is like a mutual energy of both of you. You both are holding back from expressing your emotions or something like that. So you both are holding back. So let's see your partner's energy. So they have Seven of Cups, Magician card, and the Sun card. After this transformational phase, they eagerly want a communication with you. They do have a desire of communication, but they are confused because they have to deal with multiple things, maybe friend zone, family, work area, you, hobbies, passion area, traveling, whatever. So their mind is like totally scattered into a multiple things. But behind the back, still this person manifesting something, maybe related to you or something. But this person is a magician. They are in this kind of energy when they are manifesting something. They are basically manifesting the happiness in their life. Sun card. This is like whatever the confusion your partner is going through before, after the transformational phase, lots of things are like clear. Sun is like brings the clarity into their mind. Whatever confusion they have, they are coming out from that confusion. They are manifesting good things in their love life, in this relationship. Now they feel happy, like an inner child. They realize or feel their inner beauty, and that's why maybe they do want to share their thinking, thoughts, whatever they want to share that with you. So they want communication. So these beautiful cars, totally a transformational phase, from they are manifesting now the happiness in their life. So that's a very positive reading. So let's see the final outcome of your connection. Okay, what we have a page of wands. Page of wands representing a lot of passion between both of you, but this is like little bit immature way of passion that you both are feeling for each other, right? Because this is younger energy, just a page, just a student vibes. So starting node of passion, right? But you both feel passionate towards each other. And bottom of the deck, lot of emotions. You both have lot of love and emotions, unconditional love for each other. So let me take one advice card for the month of June for my beautiful Scorpios. One advice card for my beautiful Scorpios for the month of June. Okay, what we have, Queen Yin, care and compassion. Choose to be loved. Do what is the right for everyone involved. Offer a helping hand. So this is again like a unconditional love. So you are learning unconditional love in the month of June, and that will also bring a new beginning in your life, in your financial gains. If you adopt that kind of a love for others that is unconditional, then automatically you manifest the money, the abundance, new beginnings in your life in this way if you learn this thing in your life. So let me take your strength for the month of June. Strength for my beautiful Scorpios. Penguin, authentic. Reach out to your tribe in times of need. Family gives you strength when you face storm. Love your uniqueness. You are full of surprises. Break free from others' expectations. Just be yourself. So, this is like authenticity. Be your real, right? Be real, be original, the real soul, the pure inner soul that you have. Recognize your pure soul, free from any kind of expectations from others, and your family is like your biggest strength. And yes, just be yourself. You don't need to portray any kind of a personality or dilemma outside in the society. Just be yourself, right? So this is the message for my beautiful Scorpios. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.